Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Modern Sartorial. Today I want to talk about a perfume that has completely taken over my senses lately. It's called Afnan Supremacy In Oud. This isn't going to be a technical review full of note breakdowns and comparisons. I just want to share how this scent feels, how it behaves on my skin, how long it stays, how it makes me feel when I wear it, and honestly, why it's been one of the most unforgettable scents I've experienced lately. First time I sprayed Supremacy In Oud, I remember pausing for a second. It's one of those fragrances that doesn't quietly sneak up on you. It walks in with confidence. This scent hits you immediately. Warm, deep, and almost mysterious. There's this smokiness that feels like you just walk into a luxurious lounge with dim lighting and soft music playing in the background. It's not sweet, not fresh, it's something richer. It feels like a statement, the kind of scent that tells people you know exactly who you are. On the skin, it opens up bold, almost like a spark. But give it a minute and it softens. It starts to melt into your skin like warm gold blending into your natural scent. Wearing Supremacy In Oud feels like wearing an invisible cloak of confidence. It's warm but not suffocating. There's a certain dryness to it that keeps it elegant, but at the same time it feels intimate, like the scent hugs you from within. On my skin it has this smooth, slightly resinous texture, if that makes sense, It feels creamy, deep and grounding. When I move, I catch little waves of it, and every time it makes me feel powerful, centered, and honestly, kind of luxurious. It's one of those scents that changes your posture. You suddenly stand taller, you speak slower, you feel like you are exactly where you need to be. After about an hour, the perfume starts to settle into something even more beautiful. The sharpness fades away, and what's left is this warm, smoky sweetness that lingers close to your skin. It's deep, it's sensual, but not in an obvious way. More like quiet confidence. The kind that draws people in without trying too hard. For me, Supremacy In Oud feels like late nights, quiet thoughts and deep conversations. It reminds me of autumn evenings or sitting by a fire with someone you trust. It has that comforting yet mysterious duality that's really special. Every time I wear it, I feel like I'm telling a story. One that's mature, bold, and maybe even a little secretive. Now, let's talk about how it performs, because this is quite important. This one stays, like really stays. On my skin it lasts easily 8 to 10 hours, sometimes longer on my clothes. It doesn't disappear, It transforms throughout the day. It starts strong, projects beautifully for the first few hours, and then slowly settles into a more personal skin level scent, and that's still noticeable when someone comes close. As for the sillage, it's definitely present. You leave a little trail behind, but it's not overwhelming. It's kind of scent that makes people curious. I've had people ask me what I'm wearing even hours I applied it. If I had to sum up Afnan Supremacy In Oud in one feeling, it would be strength with elegance. It's bold, unapologetic, but still smooth and classy. It's not a perfume for everyone, but if it connects with you, you feel it instantly. It's perfect for cold days, evenings out, or any moment when you want to feel powerful and composed. To me, it's not just a fragrance. It's a sensual, sexual experience. Every time I wear it, I feel like it leaves an imprint not just in the air, but in the memory of people around me. So, if you are looking for something that makes you feel unique, grounded, and unforgettable, Afnan Supremacy In Oud might just be that scent. Alright lads, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review or have your own experience with this fragrance, let me know in the comments. I love to hear what it feels like for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and cheers. We see us in the next one.